next place to go is the weathernetwork.com. And I'm going to click on weather and then satellite and radar maps. And I'm just going to zoom back out of here. I'm going to animate my map. I'm going to get rid of the satellite, just do radar precipitation and zoom back in again. Now as you can see, there is nothing here for Cuba, Honduras, or nothing. There's like a bit of rain activity by Mexico, Texas area. So there is a storm brewing out there, so I'm going to be tweeting that. Just give me a second. Okay, so what I had to do was compare my satellite weather with this ocean weather, trying to figure out what these islands were. There's what this was like. I really don't know anything about the states or anything. I'm terrible with names and stuff. So I look at this, the way it looks, and then I go to the satellite and try to figure out what it is. And so it looks like we've got Georgia, South Carolina, Florida, we have the Bahamas here, Cuba, Haiti, Dominican Republic, and Jamaica, all in that area there. And what I'm going by is these little arrows. I don't know if you can see them or not. They show the direction of where the water flows. And if this storm gets bigger, and it's getting more intense here as we look here, it's going to swing down this way and it's going to swing over this way according to the thing. Okay, so over here I did a hurricane storm prediction: South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Cuba, the Bahamas, Haiti, Dominican Republic, and Jamaica. November 10th, 2011 at 12:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have the ocean weather and I have the map showing the area where it's starting. And now I'm going to go into the temperature for the water. Okay, so it's 1:06 a.m. and I'm looking at the Weather Network on Tampa Bay, Florida, and there is some now rain building up there, as well as severe rain along the coast where it's warm here and here. And then I'm just going to zoom out a bit. Now there's nothing building up over the islands yet. There is a storm over by Texas there. From what I've seen, when you have the red and the yellows, which is rain and ice, those seem to attract the molecules from the other ones. And if you got like 3 or 4 storms, which we've got here, like little spots here, there, and everywhere, they all kind of congregate together and make one big sucker of a storm. But you can see it's building up all the way into the sea here, from north of Cuba, west of Nassau, Bahamas, and then right to Orlando, Jacksonville. We've got some green activity there. Now that I'm going to forecast is probably going to build up over the next 24 hours if the temperatures continue to rise.